Luimnigh Diarmaid Byrnes, imlóir le Tower Fardrick, August Luimnigh. My nickname, I'm not sure, do I have one? A lot of the boys probably do have one for me, but it could be stretch or something like that with the height. My favourite player growing up was, I'd say, most definitely Kieran Carey. He would have been around the era of me growing up. Keane Lynch with his skin-tight pants and ridiculous t-shirts, and I'd say all his t-shirts are extra small, I'd say, to make his arms look big, and his pants, I'd say, are his sisters, I think. But yeah, definitely Keane. The player in the current team that I wouldn't like to face in an MA fight would be, hands down, James Ryan. Go as far as we can in the league, get as many competitive games, but I think the 4th of June, we're not looking past that. Clare in Thurles. We're definitely progressing, like, training's good, it's competitive. You know, numbers of training are excellent and management, everything's excellent. But the defeat to Wexford, I suppose, things didn't really go our way on the day, and we would have been expected to win that game. But again, it's hurling, you can't really predict anything, like, you never know on the day, and we just drive on again.
With teams like yourselves, Galway and now Wexford fighting for a place at the top table, how important is that level of competition for ye in preparation for the championship?
Yeah, it is, like, it gives you the sense of championship, really, playing such big teams on big days like that. It's only the league stage, like, we're really looking forward to championship, but most definitely it does give you the championship feeling. But definitely it is competitive. Like, you look at likes of Galway, they've been competing Ireland semi-finals, Leinster title, Leinster championships against top flight teams, Tip, Kilkenny, year in, year out. So it is fair competitive down 1B. I think it's overlooked, I think, really. So it is definitely competitive down there, yeah.
It's been a couple of quiet years for Limerick, I suppose. In 2013 you won a Munster title and went on to compete in an All-Ireland semi-final. You competed again in an All-Ireland semi-final in 2014, but it's been a couple of quiet years since then. Diarmaid, what's the minimum measure for progress for Limerick this year?
Yeah, they had massive success there. Like, they were very unlucky in 2013. They had a massive year, win the Munster Championship, beating Cork well and trying to get a crown. I was only a terrorist that day, like, so getting the first win in Championship, I suppose we've cleared in the first round. I don't think we're, like, in Championship reason, we're not looking beyond that. You know, you'd be fooling yourself if you were. You might have a better 15, like, even against Wexford the last day. 15 and 15, probably a better team on the day, but things didn't go away. That's hurling for you. So I don't think we'll be looking past Clare on the 4th of June and get the win there and hopefully progress on to a Munster final.